morning to all of you. On the previous turn, I have told you the synthesis of chorysmic acid. Chorysmic acid is the branching point for the synthesis of phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. Tyrosine and phenylalanine is formed from the arogenic acid, whereas tryptophan is synthesized from anthranilate or anthranilic acid or anthranilate. Chorysome literally means for. It is the branching point where cycle is bifurcated into two. First is the synthesis of arogenic acid and second is anthranilic acid. On chorysmic acid, on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the fifth position, this prenyl side chain move to carbon first position, and the enzyme which is responsible for this is mutase, and the reaction type is periclasia. Condensation, and the mutase enzyme is allosterically regulated by three amino acids such as phenyl, adenine, tyrosine and tryptophan. These aromatic acids do not bind to the enzyme active site, but they inhibit enzyme activity. So as a result of this periclasial condensation in the presence of mutase enzymes, prephenic acid is formed. And the subsequent route to prephenate, from prephenate to phenylalanine, PAL and tyrosine is differ depending on the organisms. It may differ according to the organisms, such as in E. coli and certain other bacteria. The two amino acids phenylalanine and tyrosine are directly synthesized or formed from phenyl pyruvate and hydroxyphenyl pyruvate. These organisms, E. coli and other certain bacteria, these two amino acids are directly synthesized from phenyl pyruvate and hydroxyphenyl pyruvate. Whereas phenyl pyruvate is formed from the prephenate by decarboxylating enzyme hydrolase or prephenate trihydratase. and led by an aminotransferase reaction leading to the synthesis of phenylalanine, whereas hydroxy phenyl pyruvate is synthesized or is formed by the decarboxylating NAD dependent oxidoreductase enzyme and leads by an aminotransferase reaction forming the tyrosine. It is apparent that in the eukaryotes and many prokaryotes, aragonate as the immediate precursor for these amino acids. The aragonate pathway is the aragonate pathway which is responsible for the synthesis of phenylalanine and L-tyrosine is the characteristic of higher plants. Now, next reaction from prophenic acid is the addition of amino group in the presence of aminotransferase enzyme, and the glutamic acid is the amino source. Glutamic acid is the amino donor and the enzyme is aminotransferase, and this is the synthesis of arogenic acid. From arogenic acid, there are synthesis of two amino acids takes place. One is L-phenylalanine and another is tyrosine. Thank you.